Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about breast cancer. The incidence of breast cancer is increasing all over the world. Breast cancer is one cancer which is very commonly seen in females. But now we are also seeing more and more cancer cases in males. Yes, you heard it right. Breast cancer is one cancer which can actually affect both males and females, but not many people know that yes, it can also affect males. As you already know that cancer can kill, and that is why there is so much of fear about cancers. So let's know that what are the ways where you can detect cancer early so that you become more aware, you can go to doctors in time, and then you can get it treated. Whenever breast cancer starts, it usually starts with the formation of a small lump or mass in the breast. So it's very important, especially for females, that they keep examining their breast at least once a month. Whenever you feel there is a lump, and especially if it is a painless lump, then you should immediately go to the doctor for examination and further investigation. Important thing is, not all lumps in the breast are actually because of cancers. The lumps in the breast could be because of multiple reasons. They could be because of infections. They could be because of the simple hormonal changes in the body. But yes, whenever you feel a lump in the breast, you should immediately go and you should not neglect it. Besides lump, the other sign and symptoms could be in the form of presence or lump, not just in breast, but also in the axilla, or commonly called as armpits. Then there could be discharge from the nipple. Females usually have some kind of discharge, especially in the time of pregnancy, but that is a very small milky discharge. If you are having a discharge which is persistently present, or if there is presence of blood in the discharge, then there is a high likelihood that there could be cancer in the breast. Besides this, if you are looking at your breast and if you find that there is sudden increase in the size or changes in the shape of the breast comparison to the other breast, again it could be a symptom of breast cancer. So you should go to the doctor. Breast cancer, like many other cancers, can spread to many other parts of the body. If it has gone to many other parts of the body, then you can have loss of weight, loss of appetite, and then there could be other symptoms in form of jaundice and many other problems. Besides signs and symptoms, the other thing is that there are certain other investigations which can pick up breast cancer early. Just to name one important investigation is mammogram. But I won't be discussing mammogram here in this video. There will be a separate video for mammogram, and please see that video. What are the ways by which we can actually prevent cancer? The best thing is not to have any cancer in the body, isn't it? A change in lifestyle is very important. A healthy lifestyle is the single most important step towards prevention from not only breast cancer but for any cancer. So what are these steps? You should take good amount of green leafy vegetables, diet rich in antioxidants, fruits in your diet. The more colorful your food plate is, less will be chance of cancer. Besides this, amount of physical activity that you do in a day. So the more amount of physical activity you do, the more amount of exercise you do is very good to prevent cancers. But yes, at least it should be half an hour of physical activity in form of some kind of exercise like jogging, brisk walking, cycling, at least 5 days in a week. So if you are able to do some kind of exercise even 5 days of a week, it is very good for prevention, not just from breast cancer but many other cancers. If you take alcohol, then you have to know that alcohol is a risk factor for breast cancer. So cut down on your alcohol intake. Avoid obesity, avoid red meat. It's very important. Now there is data to support that red meat can cause cancer, processed meat can cause cancers, and that is why if you cut down the risk, the diet from your diet, all these kinds of meats, you cut down your risk of breast cancer as well. So as I already told, that besides the signs and symptoms, we also have certain methods to decrease and prevent cancer's risk. Use these methods and help yourself and protect yourself from cancers. So friends, if you like this video, then please click like and subscribe the channel so that we can give you more cancer related information and make you more aware.